Hello, today I have Nissan Juke with 1.2 petrol engine and with check engine light and I plug diagnostic and all fault codes, only 3 and 4 cylinder misfire, and we erase that codes and car driving 1-2 days, and when intermittent happens again, the check engine light starts to flash, and again we have fault codes for cylinder 3 and 4. I switch cylinder 3 and 4 spark plugs and ignition coils to the cylinders first and second, and the problems appears again. Then investigate a little bit deeper. I found this. I show you. When we go to the live data, I notice one thing. With the oxygen sensor, bank 1, nothing changes at all. Sensor downstream is working. When I press our main sensor, bank 1, no response at all. Nothing. And look at the fuel trim. It's rich, very rich. And let's go to see how it looks exhaust. Oh, it's very rich. I think we have to make some tests with oxygen sensor. I think this sensor is broken. I show you where is sensor location. This clearly visible blue wiring, this is our lambda sensor. We try to change it. Lambda sensor was changed. This is how it looks like old one. And now car running okay. Now check light. It's fixed.